I have found something that everybody needs to know about. The information I'm about to share is about something that's going to be like the microwave oven in the 1980s. Suddenly, it's going to be everywhere. The goal of this video is simply to share information with you with no expectations apart from a little bit of your time. The idea is you learn enough here to determine whether or not you want to explore this further. And to help you understand why I'm so passionate about what it is I'm going to share with you, why it's made such a huge impact in my family's life, you need to know the story about how I found it, my connection to it. At the beginning of 2024, my wife and I were like many other parents in their early 50s. In our case, three boys, typical challenges for parents these days. And then one morning, everything changed. My wife found out that she had an aggressive form of cancer, which had already spread to another part of her body. I saw what conventional medicine offered. I saw what the chemo drugs did to her. It was absolutely devastating. And I was determined to find something else to help her. And I did. 6 months later, my wife is cancer free. And although in her case, of course, there were a large number of variables involved, I only changed one thing. And what it did to me, which is drastically reduce inflammation in my body, makes me absolutely certain that it not only had a profound influence on my wife's outcome, but also that has massive ramifications for the health of other people. Before I tell you what it is that I found, I just wanted to highlight that this video is an introduction, to something that offers such broad and dramatic health benefits. The number of narratives, I like to call them rabbit holes, for different interests and different people are far too long to summarize here. Therefore, I am creating a portal, a resource of videos and information. I have to, because what I found has huge value for people with health challenges, however, also for athletes and businesses in the health and wellness industry. What I found is medical grade drinking water technology, a machine called an ionizer, a big magnet that sits by your sink. It's something that until just over a decade ago existed only in Japanese hospitals and medical clinics. This ionizer restructures the water. It splits and breaks it apart into healthy and unhealthy parts. The latter goes down the sink through one hose, and the healthy part, called Kangen Water, is a virtual fountain of youth. And it has four things that I quickly want to highlight. It has a charge, and it is packed full of antioxidants, like the molecular hydrogen pictured here. These massively reduce oxidation and inflammation in your body. Oxidation leads to sickness, disease, and aging. Inflammation is the causative factor for all the diseases that we face today. The third thing, it's microstructured, a fancy word for small, however, something which has a huge effect on us. And this is not only because doctors believe that over 80% of us are chronically dehydrated, it's also because this incredibly healthy antioxidant packed water reaches non-vascular areas, meaning where blood can't go, and it gets there immediately and very easily. And the last thing is that it's slightly alkaline, which counters the state of acidosis where far too many of us find ourselves today, and it is where the cancers, sicknesses, and aches and pains all flourish. This water results in such a dramatic effect, primarily because we are water beings. By weight, over 70% water. Our brains, our hearts, our lungs, and blood, all 85 to 95% water. Now, three quick disclosures from me. The first one is that this is a high ticket item that yields incredibly high value results, which are guaranteed for those who drink it consistently. And this is why Enagic, the manufacturer, uses a business model that's based upon sharing water with others. Those who drink it experience the health benefits and one day might want a machine for themselves. That's how it works. And this is precisely why it's an organic way for businesses in the health and wellness industry to enhance the services they already offer their customers. The second disclosure is, had my wife not been sick, would I have invested in this technology? Probably not. I did my research, but very quickly I got it for her because I thought it would make a difference. And it did not matter at all that I was skeptical that it would do anything for me. And the last thing, last disclosure, is that this water is not a cure for anything. It is, however, very real. It's something that's simple and easy, which you can do every single day. And consistency is the most important thing for any healthy routine. I'm going to wrap it up there. Out of courtesy to you, because it'll save you a lot of time, I put together a short video about what you'll find when and if you research this yourself online. This is a medical device. However, at the retail level, and this is typical with emerging technology, there is very little regulation or quality control, just an overwhelming amount of what is often misleading information about seriously dodgy, inferior products that emphasize cost over benefits. I've also included the corporate website of Enagic, the 50-year-old Japanese private company, which has a number of next generation health products that are about to come into the market and which do not exist. Obviously, I'm very excited about what I found. I think it's pretty easy to understand why I'm very passionate about it. It has changed the trajectory of my family's life immensely. And I really don't even want to think about where we'd be if I had not. For that, I am going to be eternally grateful. It'd be great to get feedback from people. If there's anyone watching this who wants to know more, it would be great to have a conversation about how you might benefit as I did.